This video explains how the Content Access Archive system reduces original file sizes and saves SharePoint storage space while maintaining uninterrupted access to files. As you can see, all these files have already been archived and replaced by A-Link shortcuts, each with a size of only around 310 bytes. Let's click on this A-Link file to see how easily it can be accessed. As you can see, before archiving, its size was 73 kilobytes. This means that if we take a document of standard size and archive it using Content Access, the file size can be reduced to less than 1% of the original. Can you imagine how much savings this would mean for a company with thousands of documents? The original file can also be downloaded and restored. Just one click, a page refresh, and it's all back. Use more, spend less. Try Content Access.